What's up, family? Welcome back to the channel. So yeah, as you can see in the description, we're gonna install some new DTE angel eye headlamps that we got for the BMW. I must actually say big thanks to Nas, as I bought this from him. I'm super excited to install this. But before we continue, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can follow us while we are building our project drift build BMW E46. So let's go have some fun. Yeah. Right, so we have this beautiful LED DTE headlights for the BMW E46 preface. As you can see, it's really beautiful. So we're gonna install them now. As you can see, it comes out with this lights. Obviously this is really old, so we're gonna replace both of those lights with this LED lights, so that we can go to the dicers with some headlights at least, and we know it's going to work. So this side we have already removed it, so we're going to start by just open up that box for this side and start installing it. Before we continue with that, I just want to thank Nas again for all his support with the parts. It's really awesome getting this support from you. And then as well, go and check him out. He's got a beautiful shop with a lot of things, and he will be glad to assist you. I will put his number as well as his location in the description as well, so that you can go and check his shop. Like I said, he can get you almost anything you can think of. Laat ons kyk, wat is dit nou? Test 1.
Smoke test. Is ligte?
Ek net die een.
Right? Okay, sit hom af, sluit hom af, sit af die ligte. Sit hom net op box.
Dink is tyd.
Yay!
Yes! Mazar!
En dan net toe hom.
Ja!
Gaan so maak, hè? Is nou af.
Ja?
Flikker.
Ja.
Bly flikker.
Nee, we gaan er weer af. Sy flikker net 'n rukkie. Awee! Ja.
Kom in die pad uit.
Nou sit net die kant op sit. Yes, wat lyk mos mwah. Yes. Mooi. Dit lyk mos beautiful.
Daai wit kry wat hulle rooi flikker.
Yes.
Kom hier breek ons hom uit.
Mazar. Ja, hy trek net uit. Kyk net die wiring. Of wat hy? Net so. Boet hom. En dan sit nou net daai een. Kom ons maak hulle gou vas. Good.
Ek gaan hom aansit nou hierdie ding is vas.
Okay. Dink jy ons miskien die ligte afsit nie? Ja, Sam. Okay, het ek net hier voor staan mooi, dat ek hom try center hou. Alright. You, my bra. Wag het gou, want ek moet so fokus. Yes, die ding is so braai. Sy. Haar fokus hy nou mooi. Ja. Dis maar hierdie goes nog ons braai. Ja nee, het lyk nga. Yes. Woo. Ja nee. Chum, ek dink dit lyk awesome. Jo. Jy moet hom sien. Chak hom gou. Hou vas. Nee, jy is te vinnig, jy moet... Nee, wag, hou vas so, check even op die voor. Ja.
Ja.
Waar doe jy nou dit?
Sluit net die ignition af en aan. Damn it.
Huh?
Damn it.
Done with the lights. We are quite happy with how it came out. Super stoked. I mean, I drove here to Fifi's house now as well, and yeah, we need to adjust the lights though, due to that it's shining quite on the road and not a bit above, so we need to adjust the lights. But otherwise than that, the lights are perfect. So yeah, we still have a few things we need to do. Basically just prepping now for Sunday's racing dices. You'll probably see this video on Monday, and then the video of the dices you'll probably see on Wednesday. And then yeah, if the car's not there, going to be there on Sunday, then it probably means it's not fine, it's not fixed yet. But otherwise than that, we will see you there. We did manage to install the seats. We did manage to install our safety point harness, roll cage. We did bleed the brakes. The clutch is fixed. Wat is nog reg gemaak?
Clutch, breaker, die ligte, die seats, die harnas.
And the gauge ports. And then yeah, we still need to install our new steering wheel. That video you'll probably see on Friday. And then we're also going to install our new stickers on the car as well. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I do appreciate it. You guys must have a lovely night further, and God bless. Ciao.
I can